Hello learners, this class is for B.Sc second year 4th Sem Physics and the paper name is Optics. Now we'll see, in this class we'll see type of interference of light. Okay, types of interference of light. So we get the interference by two types. We can see the interference pattern by of two types. One is through division of wavefront and the other one is through division of amplitude. That means wavefront is getting divided, or amplitude is getting divided. Amplitude will get divided. Okay, in these two ways we can get the interference pattern. Now first let's see the division of wavefront. So in this method a single wavefront is divided into two or more parts, and these parts, what they do, they interfere with each other and gives us the pattern. So the wave originates from the same source. So as the wave is originating from the same source, naturally it is a coherent sources. The sources which we get from the same source are called as coherent sources. We have learned this in the earlier classes, right? Now what is a working principle? A single source produces a wavefront, as the single source is giving us a wavefront, and that wavefront is separated or divided. Okay, so that they are overlapping with each other. The wavefronts overlap with each other and forms a and interference phenomena is happening, and we can see the pattern, interference pattern. Okay, so in which experiments can we see this type of interference? We can see this type of interference in Young's double slit experiment, Fresnel's biprism experiment, Lloyd's mirror experiment. Okay, we learn Young's double slit experiment already you have learned. Fresnel's and Lloyd's experiment we will see further. So you can see the diagram over here. See, this is a single source. From the single source you are getting two coherent sources, and you can see the wavefronts. The wavefronts are being divided and they are forming they're overlapping with each other, which forms the interference, which gives us the interference phenomena, and they're interfering and gives us this pattern, interference pattern. You can see bright here. See, these are the bright fringes. Okay, and these are the dark fringes. You can see dark fringes. Okay, bright and dark fringes. So this is the interference pattern due to division of wavefront. I hope you understood. So the width between two fringes, either it is bright or it is dark. We have seen the fringe width also. Okay, next, division of amplitude. Division of amplitude. In this method, a single light beam is split into parts by partially reflection and transmission. Some part will get reflected. So these parts interfere, and here the amplitude of wave is divided. Okay. So what is happening in this division of amplitude? The light wave is divided into two or more parts by reflecting and by transmitting. So by partially reflection, or we can say refraction at the surface, the two parts travel through different ways and they reunite. When they overlap or reunite, they produce the interference fringes. So this interference fringe is due to the division of amplitude. Okay, so that is a working principle. So where can we see the division of amplitude fringes? In Michelson interferometer, in Fabry-Perot interferometer, thin films like soap bubbles, oil films. Okay, so it is where do we use it? Mostly the applications are in precise measurements. Circular fringes are often seen here. It is used to measure wavelengths, and it is used to measure small distances. Okay, I'll show you the diagram. So here is the diagram. Okay, the coherent sources is by division of amplitude. So this is the incident light. This is the incident light. Partly it is refracting, partly it is transmitting and refracting or reflecting. These are the reflected waves. See here, reflected, and these are refracted. Okay, so we can see the interference pattern. And such pattern is called as the pattern is due to the division of amplitude. Right? This is due to division of amplitude. So this is due to division of wavefront. The diagram you can see the division of wavefront. These are the fringes. Okay, bright fringes. So the bright fringes, the distance between two bright fringes are beta is equal to lambda d by small d. Lambda is a wavelength, d is the distance between the source and the screen, and this d is the distance between two sources here. This is the d and this is capital D. Okay, lambda is a wavelength. So we can see, we can also say that between two, sorry, one second. Between two bright fringes also beta is equal to, the distance is equal to, or the width is equal to lambda d by d. And between two dark fringes also it is beta is equal to lambda d by d. Okay, even if it is the distance between two bright fringes or dark fringes, the width will be same. Okay, by this we can say that beta, the width of the fringe, is directly proportional to lambda. Beta is directly proportional to the distance between the source and the screen d, but it is inversely proportional to small d, that is distance between sources, two sources. Okay, so this was today's topic. I hope you understood. Thank you.